Imagine a world where fresh, nutritious produce is grown right in the heart of our cities, where food travels just minutes from harvest to plate, and where agriculture thrives regardless of the season or weather outside. This is the promise of vertical farming, a revolutionary approach that's reshaping the future of how we grow, distribute, and consume our food. At its core, vertical farming is all about stacking crops in layers, often inside climate-controlled buildings, making the most of every square foot and bringing farming into the urban environment. The biggest benefit of vertical farming, the one that truly stands out and has the power to transform our global food system, is its unprecedented efficiency in space and resources. By moving upwards instead of outwards, vertical farms break free from the traditional constraints of farmland. In cities where land is scarce and expensive, vertical farming allows us to cultivate huge quantities of produce on tiny footprints. Imagine a single warehouse producing as much food as a sprawling field. That's the kind of innovation vertical farming delivers. But the advantages go even deeper. Traditional agriculture is vulnerable to the whims of nature. Droughts, floods, heat waves, and pests can wipe out entire harvests. Vertical farms operate in controlled environments where temperature, humidity, and light are optimized for plant growth. This means crops can be grown all year round, irrespective of climate or season. The consistency and reliability of this method can play a crucial role in ensuring food security, especially as climate change continues to disrupt conventional farming. Water use is another area where vertical farming shines. Using hydroponic or aeroponic systems, these farms deliver water and nutrients directly to plant roots, minimizing waste and recycling what isn't absorbed. Compared to traditional farming, vertical farms can use up to 90% less water. As fresh water becomes an increasingly precious resource, this level of conservation is nothing short of revolutionary. Let's not forget the environmental impact. By situating farms closer to consumers, vertical farming drastically reduces the distance food travels from farm to table. This means lower transportation emissions, less need for preservatives, and fresher produce for consumers. Traditional supply chains often require fruits and vegetables to be picked before they're fully ripe, sacrificing flavor and nutrition for shelf life. Vertical farming flips this script, offering produce that's harvested at peak ripeness and delivered locally. Another remarkable benefit is the protection from pests and diseases. Because vertical farms are isolated from outside elements, there's less need for pesticides and herbicides. The result? Cleaner, safer food that's healthier for both people and the planet. Perhaps the most mind-blowing aspect is the potential for customization and innovation. Different crops can be tailored to specific local tastes, and new technologies, like LED lighting and precision sensors, can optimize each plant's growth and nutrient content. The possibilities are endless, from growing rare herbs and exotic vegetables to meeting the dietary needs of urban populations. Ultimately, the biggest benefit of vertical farming is its power to revolutionize how we feed the world. By making agriculture more resilient, resource-efficient, and local, vertical farming can help address urban food deserts, reduce environmental impact, and create a sustainable future for generations to come. As we look ahead, it's clear that vertical farming isn't just a trend. It's a vital solution to some of our most pressing challenges. So, whether you're passionate about sustainability, fascinated by technology, or simply want to enjoy fresher and healthier food, vertical farming offers something to truly get excited about. The next time you bite into a crisp, locally grown salad, you might just be tasting the future of farming, grown in a skyscraper right in your own city.